Okay, so today after your Blooket, I want you guys working on this with me, or with your partner. Excuse me, not with me. I was gonna do a video like going over each one, but I feel like you guys are confident enough that you guys can handle this. We'll talk about each problem real quick, just before you guys take it. Understanding the rule of translations. You guys know this if you've been out. If it's positive, you're going to the right. If it's negative, here. Let me zoom in a little bit. And then if this is positive, you're going up. Not too tough. Reflection over the x-axis. All right, this is your axis. It's going to flip over that axis. Okay. Reflect over the y-axis. All right, this is going to flip over to this side. Okay. Number 4, I put, oh, it's not right now here. Number 4, sorry, I'm going to put this here. I want you to translate. Actually, let me flip this over. Ooh, number 4 doesn't have anything. Let me have you guys write this in on number 4. My bad. I want you to translate. I'll have this written down, don't worry. Translate with this rule, x minus 1, y minus 2. Okay, my bad, write that down. If it's not already written down there, I think it is now. And then now the bottom ones is what we've done here. So if you forgot about Rally Coach, A and B, you can fold this paper in half and take turns solving them, okay? So when you're working on this, I would like to see the paper folded in half, and I would like to see your partner paying attention to what you're doing. All right, don't get distracted. I want you paying attention to what's going on. Remember, dilation with a scale factor of 2. If someone was absent, you got to help them out on what to do here. Scale factor of 2. Remember, you're going to be multiplying every coordinate by 2, so it's going to get bigger. It's going to be an enlargement, okay? Flip it over. On this side, we're going to be doing a scale factor of 1/2. 1/2, which means I really want you guys, if you need to use the calculator, write out your coordinates and then scale factor of 1/2. You're going to cut everything in half, basically. Okay? All right, now the back side. This is where it gets a little more interesting, and I love it. I love how it gets a little more interesting. It's good. It's great. So here we go. We're going to reflect over the y-axis. This is the y-axis. Remember, we're going to reflect over it, and then we're going to go translate 3 units up. So you're going to have this reflect and then move up. And if you want to show me 2 different images here, that would be great. So you give me the first image when you have this. So then you'd probably have here, it'd be here and probably here. And this is how you're supposed to label it. So pay attention. It'd be T prime, right? G prime and B prime. And then when you move it up, the primes, it'll be T prime prime, G prime prime, and B prime prime. Okay? You don't have to label all the coordinates for this one. All right? Do the best you can. For this one, reflect over the x-axis and then translate right 4 units. Same idea. Over the x-axis and then go right 4 units. Do the best you can. Ask for help if you need it. Reflect over the y-axis. It's a little messy here. And then go x minus 2, y minus 1. X minus 2, y minus 1. Over the y-axis first, and then go left and down. If it's off the grid, do the best you can. This is going to go off the grid a little bit. Do the best you can. Then x plus 5, y minus 1. You're going to move this over and down, and then reflect it over the x-axis. A little intense. And the last 2 are what we did yesterday, dilations. You're going to dilate by 1/4. Use your calculator. Okay? Use your calculator for 1/4. And then again, on this side, you're going to dilate by a factor of 2. That's easy peasy. We can do that. Once you finish all this, turn it in, and then go ahead and work on your homework, the quizzes homework, and then work on any work you have missing for your math class. We've got to get caught up. There's been a lot of absences here. We can totally get caught up if you need to. And then lunch times, if you need to make up quizzes, come talk to me, okay?